In today's video, I'm going to teach you, here's how to cancel a Microsoft Azure subscription and what happens when you do. We'll walk through the exact clicks in the Azure portal, and I'll flag what changes after you cancel, so you're not surprised by billing or resource behavior. Before you start, make sure you're signed in with the subscription owner role or an equivalent billing role. Without that, the cancel option won't appear. First, head to portal.azure.com and sign in. Once you're in the portal, open Cost Management plus Billing. You can select it from the left menu or just use the search bar at the top to find it quickly. Inside Cost Management plus Billing, look to the left-hand navigation for the Products and Services area and open Subscriptions. If you see an option called Azure Subscriptions or All Billing Subscriptions, choose that to list every subscription tied to your billing account. Find the subscription you want to cancel and select it to open its details page. Near the status line, you'll see an ellipsis icon. Click that, then choose Cancel, sometimes labeled Cancel Subscription. You may be asked to pick a reason. Choose the one that best fits and continue. If your account includes a separate support plan, you might see a reminder to turn off its auto-renew so you don't keep getting charged for support after the subscription is gone. Also, if there are running resources in the subscription, Azure will ask whether you want to turn off resources. It's wise to stop services and back up any needed data before canceling to avoid unexpected charges and data loss. When you're ready, confirm Cancel Subscription. Here's what happens next. Billing stops immediately or very shortly after the cancellation completes. Azure will typically generate a final invoice within about 72 hours to capture any remaining usage. Your resources are disabled. Virtual machines are deallocated, storage becomes read-only, and services stop responding. Your data isn't deleted right away. Microsoft retains it for a grace period, usually between 30 and 90 days, in case you decide to reactivate. For certain subscription types, you can permanently delete the subscription from the portal 3 days after cancellation, as long as any deletion prerequisites are met. If anything looks different in your portal, menu names can vary slightly by subscription type and region, but the flow is the same. Sign in, open. Cost Management plus Billing, go to Subscriptions, select the subscription, and choose Cancel.